This is the AI News Flash for May 10th, 6 p.m. UTC. First up, Qualcomm CEO Amon declared in a Fortune feature interview that 2026 is the year AI agents go mainstream, while predicting the smartphone's reign as humanity's primary device is ending. Amon said autonomous AI agents will perform diverse tasks across devices and cloud, fundamentally transforming human-computer interaction. He predicts a major workload migration in 2027 to 2028, similar to the shift from PCs to smartphones, marking a structural transition in computing platforms. Smart glasses are positioned as the natural successor, joined by jewelry, pins, and pendants, connecting users to AI agents. First devices ship by late 2026, scaling to hundreds of millions or billions of units within 5 years. Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, Apple AR glasses development, and Samsung AI glasses signal the physical AI consumer device revolution. Second, AI data labeling leader Scale AI announced a 5x expansion of its enterprise agreement with the U.S. Department of War's Chief Digital and AI Office, raising the contract ceiling from $100 million to $500 million, the largest defense AI deal of its kind, per Pulse 2.0. The Production Other Transaction Authority Agreement awarded September 2025 saw demand explode beyond original limits across Army, Navy, Marine Corps, defense agencies, and other components. The structure bypasses fragmented multi-year acquisition cycles, enabling any Pentagon component to fund scale projects without new competitive solicitations. Services include Scale Data Engine for defense computer vision models, Scale GenAI platform for fine-tuning generative models on classified networks, and Scale Donovan, a decision support platform turning unstructured data into actionable insights, available across Nipper, Sipper, and Juwix networks. Scale's St. Louis AI Center handles EOIR and SAR imagery labeling. Amid Anthropic and Palantir Pentagon contract turbulence, Scale AI cements core defense AI infrastructure positioning. Third, Google parent Alphabet raised over $17 billion through euro and Canadian dollar denominated bond offerings, formally executing a major debt-financed AI infrastructure capital raise per Simply Wall Street detailed analysis. The multi-currency bond strategy diversifies foreign exchange risk, while expanding investor base, leveraging Alphabet's balance sheet for aggressive AI capex acceleration. Among hyperscaler 4 giants spending $725 billion on 2026 capex, Alphabet's bond market activation signals the most aggressive AI infrastructure expansion stance. Big tech AI bond issuance rush continues with Amazon's 2025 over $10 billion, Meta and Oracle following. Silicon Valley enters the largest capital markets activation phase in history. Free cash flow consumption by AI capex, now structural, dividend payout ratios, shrinking buyback pace, slowing, plus full bond market mobilization. Institutional investors face surging AI credit product exposure, marking AI infrastructure investment theme Phase 2. Fourth, AI development and evaluation platform leader Braintrust suffered an AWS-related data breach, prompting urgent API key rotation advisories for all customers, per Riscana cybersecurity outlet warning. The incident involves AWS environment misconfiguration, leading to cloud infrastructure compromise, exposing customer-sensitive data and API credentials to risk. Braintrust instructed all customers to immediately rotate API keys for OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and other connected services, exemplifying enterprise AI development platform, supply chain security risks. Industry-wide implications grow as agentic AI adoption accelerates and enterprise AI evaluation tools deploy in production environments. Centralized credential management via third-party AI development platforms expands supply chain attack surfaces. Security experts warn 48% of professionals predict agentic AI as the largest 2026 attack vector, materializing now AI development infrastructure. Security governance becomes urgent priority. Fifth, the global economy enters the largest capital spending cycle in history, with over $5 trillion projected by decade's end, driven by AI infrastructure expansion and energy transition twin engines per Fortune detailed analysis. CapEx breakdown shows AI data centers led by hyperscaler 4 giants at $725 billion, 2026 spending core, energy transition via renewables, grid modernization, nuclear commercialization, semiconductor manufacturing reshoring with TSMC, Arizona, Samsung, Texas, Intel, Ohio. Composite structural demand explosion exceeds late 1990s telecoms infrastructure investment peak by over 2x, an unprecedented scale. Macro impact spans S&P 500, earnings growth largest driver from AI capex, tech market cap expansion via NVIDIA, AMD semiconductor makers, HBM memory packaging, optical interconnect, utility nuclear companies all benefiting. Yet Michael Burry IMF private credit AI capex overheating warnings persist concurrently, institutional investor circular trading concerns, bubble debate ongoing, structural growth, sustainability becomes the touchstone, the most critical macro investment theme of 2026. That's all for this AI news flash.